Good morning, student. Today we will solve the remaining question of exercise 3.6 class 10 mathematics. First questions of first part and second part is solved, and now move to fifth and sixth part. And this is similar to the question number 1 and 2, and how we have to solve. First one is this: we have to separate. This question can be solved by two methods. But I am explaining only one method which is same for all the question from exercise 3.6. All the question are based on this pattern. First we have to write separate. We have to write xy below than 7x and xy below 2y. So we can write 7x upon my xy minus 2y upon my xy is equal to 5. This y will cut, this x will cut, and now what is left? 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. And then we have to write first x minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 5. And how we can write this one? Minus 2 bracket 1 upon x plus 7 upon 7 is equal to 5. This is the simple form which is similar to the question 1 part 1, and now same as it. Now how we can solve it? We have to write separate. Separate means 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. This y cut, x will cut. What is left? 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. And this first we have to write what? X. 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 15. And how we have to write? 7 1 by x plus 8 1 by y is equal to 15. Then let 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q, and similar to the question 1. And now this will be sixth part. Here is xy. I already told that the question can be solved by two methods, and this also can be solved by two methods, but I am doing the same method which is applicable for all part. And now 6xy. Here is 6xy. So we have to divide xy on both sides. Dividing by xy on both sides. So what we get? 6x plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. And now similarly to 2x upon xy, 4y upon xy is equal to 5xy upon xy, which can be simplified. This will be simplified, this will simplify, this will simplify. And what is left? 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6. It means 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 6. This is equation number 1 now. And now here is also x will cut, y will cut. What is left? 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to xy cut is equal to 5. 4 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 5. And further you know very well, 3 bracket 1 by x plus 6 bracket 1 by y is equal to 6. 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q. And you can solve similar. 4 bracket 1 by x plus 2 bracket 1 by y is equal to 5. Solved. Similar to question 1 to remaining part. Question 1, 2 and 3 remaining part. And now move to question part 6, 7th and 8. Both are same, 7 and 8 is same, but we will solve part 8. And part 3rd, In the part third, either you have to solve either 4 upon x is equal to 4 bracket 1 by x, and this will be same means 4 bracket 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14, and now similar 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23, and from here we have to assume 1 by x, only 1 by x we have to assume. Let 1 by x is equal to p, and y need not to let, because it is already in y, form of y. We need not to let y. If you want to let, then y is equal to q. Otherwise, it is not compulsory to let y, because it is already in form of positive power. And here is what will be the answer? 4 p plus 3 y is equal to 14, and same is, this is equation number first, and this is 3 p minus 4 y is equal to 23, equation number second. And from first and second we have to find out the value of p and y, and the value of y will be same, the answer. But if the value of p which we find after the solution, then we have to put the value of p is equal to 1 by x, then we get the value of x. This is the one method. And the second method, if you want to do, this is the first method, this is the first method, this is the first method if you want to do. And second method, I am again explaining. You have to break 4x, 4 upon x, 4 bracket 1 by x plus 3y is same is equal to 14. 3 by x means 3 bracket 1 by x minus 4y, 4y is equal to 23. 4, 1 by x is equal to p. We have to let 1 by x is equal to p, and 1 by x same is known. So that is 4p plus 3y is equal to 14. It means here is 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. And from here we will find out the value of y and value of p. Value of y is same as we have to put, but the value of p, if we will obtain that, we have to substitute here. And 1 by x, the value of, put the value of p, and then find the value of x. And the second method, here is 4 bracket 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. From equation first, this is the first equation. And second, 3 bracket 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. This is the equation number first. This is the first equation, and this is second equation. From equation first, 4 bracket 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. What I have done? I have written the same equation. This is equation first. From this equation, we have to find out the value of 1 by x. From second method, if we from equation first, 4 1 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14. From here 4 bracket 1 by x, if 4 is multiplied 1 by x, then we can separate it. 4 bracket 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. From here what we can write? 4 bracket 1 by x is equal to, what is this? 14 minus 3y. This is plus and goes to left right hand side, sign will change. And from here 1 by x, we will find out the value of 1 by x is equal to 14 minus 3y, and here is 4, and we have to divide it. 4. This is the value of 1 by x. And this value of 1 by x, put value of 1 by x in equation second. What is equation second? This one means 3 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23, and 1 by x is equal to this one. So 3 bracket 1 by x, this is the 1 by x. What is the value of 1 by x? 14 minus 3y upon में x, sorry, upon में 4. 3 is same 1 by x, this is equal to this one. 14 minus 3y upon 4 minus 4y is equal to 23. And now 3 open bracket 3 multiply to 14, 3 multiply to 3 multiply 14, 42 minus 9y upon में 4 minus 4y is equal to 23. Here is 1. What is taking? Now taking LCM. LCM and 4 and 1. It is 4. LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. And you know very well 42 minus 9y minus here is 16y is equal to 23. 42. You know it after this. 42 minus 9y minus 16y minus 25y upon में 4 is equal to 23. Cross multiply 42 minus 25y is equal to 4692 minus 25y is equal to 92 minus 42, and here is minus 25y is equal to 9250, and y is equal to minus 2. It is your answer. Value of y is minus 2, and this value of y put at here and put. Now we will put the value of y in equation. This is equation. This is the first. This is second. This is equation third. Value of y in equation third. Put y is equal to minus 2 in equation third. What is third equation? 1 by x is equal to 14 minus 3y upon में 4. 1 by x 14 minus 3. What is y? Minus 2 upon में 4. 1 by x 14 plus 6 upon में 4. 1 by x is equal to 20 upon में 4. This is 5. And then 1 by x is equal to 1 5. So x is equal to reciprocal 1 by 5 or cross multiply. This is your answer. Or you can solve by this method, and or first method I already explained. Is it clear? And now do question number 8 and think over it. Question number 8. This question number 8 we can write 1 upon, it will be in bracket, we can put in bracket, and here we have to break it. This will be same 1 upon में 3 x plus y plus 1 upon में 3 x minus y, put in bracket is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly 1 upon 2 I can break it. 1 upon 2 bracket 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Because this is similar to, we are assuming this will be, this is only one term. We have to assume this is one term. Why we are assuming this one term? Because 3x plus y both are same. Therefore 1, now listen, 1 upon में 2, 3x plus y, we can break 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. 1 multiply 1, and 2 multiply this one, this will be same. Why we have to assume this one? Because this and this will be same. 3x, 1 upon 3x minus y, this will be same. It is easy to assume P or Q. Now here we have to let. What we have to let? Let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to P. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to Q. And now think over it. What should I do now? It means here is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y, this is P, plus here is 1 upon 3x minus y, this is Q, is equal to 3 by 4. And here is 4, to cross multiply, 4 multiply to this 4. तो 4 ब्रैकेट p प्लस q इज इक्वल टू 3, मैं ओपन ब्रैकेट 4p प्लस 4 मल्टीप्लाई q 4q इज इक्वल टू 3, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. And now here is 1 by 2, here is 1 by 2, what is this? Into में p minus 1 by 2, what is this? Q is equal to minus 1 by 8. And now what should we do? This 8 is the denominator and this will be cross multiplying. We need not to take LCM. Why? Because 8 is in the table of 2 and in the table of 2. So we have to multiply 8 to these terms. Now what should we do? Here you take LCM. LCM is 2. What is here? P minus 2 by 2 1 Q is equal to minus 1 by 8. This denominator is 2. This denominator is 8. This 2 and 8 we can cut or simplify. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. If the complete denominator is 8, then what is that? P minus Q is equal to minus 1 by 4. Again cross multiply. So what should I do? P bracket P minus Q is equal to minus 1. Then answer is 4P minus 4Q is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 4P minus 4Q is equal to minus 1. And now this is equation number second. And solve first and second. What is equation number first? 4P plus 4Q is equal to 3. This is equation number first. 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. Equation number second. And now we have to solve. Think over it and try to solve it. Here is the coefficient of p, 4, coefficient of p, 4, same, but both have the same sign. Similarly, coefficient of q is 4, coefficient of q is 4, minus 4. It means numerical value is same. Here is the numerical value is same. What is the difference? Here is positive sign, here is negative sign. So this means 4q will be cut. So what is your answer? 4p plus 4p, 8p. is equal to 3 minus 1, this is equal to 2. So p is equal to 2 by 8, 1 by 4. So p is equal to 1 by 4. This is your value of p. And the value of p, where you have to put? In equation first or in equation second? Put p is equal to 1 by 4 in equation first. What is equation first? 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. 4p, what is p? 4. 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. And what is 4p? p is equal to 1 by 4. Here is 1 by 4 plus 4q is equal to 3. This 4 will cut. What is left? 1 plus 4q is equal to 3. 4q is equal to 3 minus 1. So 4q is equal to 2. So then q is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 4, q is equal to 1 by 2. But we want answer in terms of x and y. Here is the value of p and q. But we know the value of p. We assume 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. Then what should I do now? But 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to, what is the value of p? It is p. P is 1 by 2. Yeah, 1 by 4. P. This is 1 by, here is 1 by 4. Cross multiply. 3x plus y. 3x plus y multiplied 1 and this 1 multiply 4, this is 4, equation number third. And now this will be 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. What is the value of q? 1 by 2. Here is cross multiply. means 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 4. Solve third and 4. What is the third equation? 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is the third equation. This is the 4. And you have to find yourself and check your answer. This way we can find out, we can solve this type of question. And these question you have to practice as much as you can. If you can solve such type of question which is similar to question number 7 also, part 7, then it will be better for you. Note it down and try to solve the further.